Hello students, welcome to Medical 360 and Career 360. The NEET exam is already done, the answer key is in your hand, and very soon the results will also come. And the question that comes up obviously for the student is, what is my likely rank? And with the rank that I have, where am I likely to get in terms of admissions? In that process, you actually have government medical college, which have about up to 30,000 ranks, you're likely to get into any of the government medical college, 30,000 rank, AIIMS being up to 50 and so on and so forth. But 30,000 rank is what is a safe score for you to get into any of the GMCs, right? Then you also have deemed private medical colleges, deemed universities. Here, it can go up to 10 lakh, 12 lakh also because the fee is high. So to that extent, the number of students who actually approach this deemed medical universities comes down dramatically. The universe comes down from 100 to 90 to only 2-3% people can only afford to pay the 25 lakhs per annum. So to that extent, the rank also goes up. Then the third part of it is the state private medical colleges. In the state private medical colleges, the states have allowed those medical colleges to give seats within their the quota that they have up to 15% and even going up to 50%. So which means that a student from Rajasthan can claim a seat in Haryana or in Andhra, whether it's 15% or 50% depends on how the state promulgates the rules and regulations. But a student from Rajasthan can go and study in Andhra because they got a good rank, and based on the interstate merit list, they'll be able to go and study in Andhra or Telangana or, for that matter, Haryana and those kind of things. And similarly, a student of Haryana or Andhra and Telangana can also go and study in Rajasthan. So that is the state private medical college we're talking about. Here, what we'll talk about is up to 5 lakh rank, what are your chances of getting into a state private medical college, and what is kind of fee and everything, we'll discuss that. Before I move further, 3 requests that I always have for you. If you want me to cover any subject, please write to me in the message box here. I only read the YouTube comments and then do further videos on that. So anything that you want, please write to me here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. 2, if you want to have any counseling, we actually have opened a helpline here, which is 8130376334, because I know that a lot of students will be anguished. There'll be a lot of anxiety amongst them. So we created a helpline, which is this number, 8130376334, right? And you need to type NEET, and one of our counselor will call you. You can actually have a conversation, and you can get into one-on-one counseling. You can get into free counseling. That's your choice, obviously. But what we decided is we opened a helpline to help students, get into the entire space of how to maneuver around the NEET admission journey, right? And we also have a product actually, which is a NEET companion, where you actually get college predictions, expert webinars, comprehensive almanac. We give a complete book for you, and timely updates. So every single update that's happening, we'll keep sending it to you on a WhatsApp community, and everything you need for a confident NEET admission journey. So we take you through the predictors. There are about 50,000 people already there. There are webinars, there are seat allotments. After every seat round, we also talk to you. So that also you can do. I must also thank our university partner SRMIST, which also has a medical college in Tamil Nadu, which has about 250 plus seats. So we partnered with them because the idea is simple, that we want the students to take the most informed decision. So we partnered with them. So do subscribe to Medical 360, and I must thank the university partner for this. Now this particular thing about the private medical college and what are the data that we have at this point in time. This 2025 admission data. So be very clear, we're talking about 2025 admission data in the open category, removing all supernumerary seats. Right? We have the name of the college, we have the tuition fee that is being charged by the college, we have the highest closing rank last year, right? And we have what is the score that corresponds to that. This year, if last year you got 547, this year it will be about 565, my opinion, 565 to 575, right? So now some states have two kinds of quotas. One is the quota where you have the fee that you pay is what the student of that particular state also pays, and then you also have the management quota, which is very, very inflated in terms of the pricing structure. So there might be some states where college where the name comes twice. That's because the first one is the state private quota, and the second one is the management quota, right? So the first one, let's talk about it, St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. And by the way, what are we talking about? We're talking about those students from outside the state who can go and study in that particular college. Just remember that we're talking of students outside the state. This is not for the home state quota. This is outside the home state quota, right? So the first one is St. John's Private Medical College. The fee is less, 6.75 lakh. The highest closing rank was 13,706 last year, right? And that's because the fee is lesser, it would have happened, right? The next one is Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore. 12 lakhs is the fee, and the highest closing rank is 39,887. One thing I notice and realize every single time is the lower the fees, the lower the cutoff. The higher the fee, the higher the cutoff. So if your fee is 25 lakhs per annum, your cutoff is 10 lakh. And if your fee is 6.5, 7 lakh per annum, your cutoff is about 20, 30,000 also. And that seems to be happening across the board, right? Then Father Muller Medical College, Bangalore, 12 lakh is the fee. 48,544 was the highest closing cutoff last year. Vaidehi Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Bangalore, 48,896. Now, all this is under state-private quota. So, you actually see a lot of Bangalore here because in Karnataka, they actually have a quota which is called the state-private quota, where the fee is still regulated by the government of Karnataka. When it comes to management quota, the same college would be charging you 30, 40 lakh rupees, and the rank would also be very high. We'll also get to that at some point, right? So, Father Muller Medical College, 12 lakhs is the fee and 48,544. Vaidehi Institute, 12 lakh fee, 48,896. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bengaluru, 12 lakhs, 60,284 is the rank. JJM Medical College, Devangare, 12 lakh is the fee and 64,695 is the rank. AJ Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Mangalore, 12 lakh is the fees and 66,155 is the rank. So, the 12 lakh is essentially what is regulated by the government. And that's why you see a uniform 12 lakhs across the board, if you noticed, right? Then AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, I've already spoken. MBJ Medical College and Research Hospital, house code, 71,995. SS Institute of Medical Sciences, Jana Shankara, 12 lakh is the fees, 75,388 is the highest closing rank. Akash Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Devanhalli, 84,555. Siddhaganga Medical College and Research Institute, Tumkuru, 91,032. The Oxford Medical College and Hospital Research Center, Bangalore, 91,238. East Point College of Medical Science and Research Center, Bangalore, 92,210. And Mahadevappa Rampura Medical College in Gulbarga, 93,894. Moving further, Basaveshwara Medical College in Chitradurga, 97,622. Al-Amin Medical College, Bijapur, 97,979. Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College, Pune, 20.44 lakh is the fee here and 98,159. S. Nijalingappa Medical College in HSK Hospital Research Center, Navanagar, 12 lakh is the fee, 99,395. Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, 1 lakh 3,797. SR Patil Medical College and Hospital Research Center, 12 lakh is the fee, 1 lakh 6,113. Subba Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga, 1 lakh 6,278. Sridevi Institute of Medical Science and Research, Tumkur, 1 lakh 7,588. Sri Chamundeshwari Medical College, Ramanagara, 1 lakh 7,720. MS Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore, 25.515 is the fee, 1 lakh 9,603. KPC Medical College and Hospital, Jadavpur, 1 lakh 11,301. Karnachur Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Mangalore, 1 lakh 13,183. Apollo Institute of Medical Sciences, Chittoor, 1 lakh 16,095. KVG Medical College, Karunjibag, 1 lakh 17,899. So the 12 lakh very clearly seems to be Karnataka, and that you can see very closely, right? Then PES Institute of Medical Science and Research, Kuppam, right, 13.2 lakh. Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Chintareddypalayam, 13.2 lakh. Mata Gujri Memorial Medical College and Lions Seva Kendra Hospital, Kishanganj, 9.63 lakh and 1 lakh 31,136. KD Medical College and Hospital and Research Center, Mathura, 1 lakh 32,349. Farooq Academy of Medical Education Hospital and Research Center, Mysore, 1 lakh 31,152. Katihar Medical College, Katihar, 1 lakh 35,519. NRA Medical College, Chinakakani, 1 lakh 43,044. SDM College of Medical Science and Hospital, Sattur, 1 lakh 44,853. Pinnamaneni Siddhartha Institute of Medical Sciences, Chinautapalli, 1 lakh. These are Andhra. 13.2 lakhs are all Andhra. 12 lakhs is Karnataka as I see it. United Institute of Medical Sciences, Prayagraj, 11.9 lakh is the fee, 1 lakh 53,216. Allur Sitaramraju Academy of Medical Sciences, Eluru, this is Andhra, 1 lakh 54,843. Khaja Banda Nawaz Institute of Medical Sciences, Gulbarga, 1 lakh 57,512. Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Sitapur, 1 lakh 60,036. Great Eastern Medical School and Hospital, Srikakulam, 1 lakh 65,521. Moving further, Tripura Medical College and DR Brahm Teaching Hospital, Agartala, 1 lakh 66,252. KJ Somaiya Medical College and Research Centers, Mumbai, 1 lakh 75,296. The fee is 36 lakh rupees here. Gayatri Vidya Parishad Institute of Health and Medical Technology, Visakhapatnam, 1 lakh 78,556. Heritage Institute of Medical Sciences, Varanasi, 1 lakh 89,181. GSL Medical College and General Hospital, Rajahmundry, 1 lakh 89,662. Saraswati Institute of Medical Sciences, Hapur, 1 lakh 90,852. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Hospital, Jaipur, 1 lakh 91,995. The fee is here, by the way, 26.75 lakh is the fee here, right? Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Dehradun, 1 lakh 95,625. The fee is 21 lakh. School of Medical Science and Research Center, Greater Noida, 1 lakh 95,896. Sri Gorakshanath Medical College and Hospital, Gorakhpur, 1 lakh 96,805. The fee is 14.14 lakh, pretty low. Santiram Medical College and General Hospital, Nandyal, 2 lakh 10,702. Katuri Medical College and Hospital, Guntur, 2,15,482. Adesh Medical College and Hospital, Kurukshetra, 2,15,953. Maharaja Institute of Medical Sciences, Nallimerla, 2,22,829. Konaseema Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Amlapuram, 224,501. Rama Medical College and Hospital Research Center, Hapur, 229,989. Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Science and Research, Chikaballapur, 2,30,080. NY Tasgaonkar Institute of Medical Sciences, Karjat, 2,35,826. PES University Institute of Medical Science and Research, Bangalore, 2,43,417. Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Barabanki, 248,437. Sri Balaji Institute of Medical Sciences, Raipur, 258,109. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Subharti Medical College, Meerut, 266,476. NRI Institute of Medical Sciences, Visakhapatnam, 269,473. Rama Medical College and Hospital Research Center, Kanpur, 269,532. Sri Balaji Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Renugunta, 291,980. Muzaffarnagar Medical College, Muzaffarnagar, 296,410. Sri Chandrama Dayananda Sagar Institute of Medical Education and Research, Hubli, 3,01,666. Lord Buddha Koshi Medical College and Hospital, Saharsa, 3,07,128. Now, if you see the fee, this 13.2 lakh and all are Andhra. You can very clearly. This is Karnataka, and then you have other states also coming in. But very clearly, there's a pattern that this is, for example, Andhra, and it's controlled by the government of Andhra Pradesh. The fee rather. Narayana Medical College and Hospitals, Sasaram, 12.25 lakh is the fee, 3,11,448. Vishwabharati Medical College and General Hospital, Kurnool, 324,425. Mayo Institute of Medical Sciences, Barabanki, 334,849. The fee is 11.21 lakh. National Capital Region of Institute of Medical Sciences, Meerut, 336,679. 12.2 lakh is the fee. Anna Gauri Medical College and Hospital, Puttur, 342,303. GS Medical College and Hospital, Hapur, 351,380. Prasad Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, 357,901. Lakshmi Chandravanshi Medical College Hospital, Bishrampur, 359,140. R.D. Chunga Nagari Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Bangalore, 22.15 lakh is the fee, and 361,383. So now we're getting into the management quota. SKS Hospital and Medical Research Center, Mathura, 364,468. So, for example, this is Bangalore, right? Now, this is under the management quota because earlier we talked of the same thing of the state private quota. So now we're getting into the management quota, which is where the fee is very high here, right? Venkateshwara Institute of Medical Sciences, Gajrawala, 375,194. Sri Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Saharsa, 12.05 lakh is the fee, and 375,450. Sri Sakubai Narayan Rao Katkade Medical College and Research Center, Kopargaon, 25.5 lakh fee, 381,644. Ajay Sangal Institute of Medical Science and Research, Shamli, 382,152. The fee is 14.14 lakh. Narayana Medical College and Research Center, Kanpur, 383,586. Radha Devi Jageshwari Memorial Medical College and Hospital, Muzaffarpur, 11.9 lakh is the fee, and 384,611. Krishna Mohan Medical College and Hospital, Mathura, 12.28 lakh is the. This is all per annum fee. Remember that it's per annum fees. It is per annum. Remember that. 392,077. Rajpur Institute of Medical Sciences, Raipur, 7.45 lakh is the fee, and 395,043. Saraswati Medical College, Unnao, 4 lakh 352. Sindhudurg Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Medical College and Lifetime Hospital, Sindhudurg, 4,06,674. Abhishek Mishra Memorial Medical College and Research Center, 4,07,903. Nimra Institute of Medical Sciences, Vijayawada, 13.2 lakh as a fee, 4,09,193. MS Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore, 45.15 lakh is the fee per annum. I don't know, this might be wrong, so just check that out. 4,09,289, or maybe there is a management of the NRI quota. It's a possibility. Indian Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Jalna, 4,16,811. Dr. Rajendra Gode Medical College, Amravati, 4,17,665. B.S. Kushwaha Institute of Medical Sciences, Kanpur, 4,21,396. NC Medical College and Hospitals, Panipat, 4,21,645. Sri Shankaracharya Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhilai, 4,21,873. Noida International Institute of Medical Sciences, Gautam Budh Nagar, 4,27,750. BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, 4,29,546. Sri Ram Murthy Smarak Institute of Medical Sciences, Bareilly, 4,33,125. Parbhani Medical College, Parbhani, 4,38,512. The fee is 34.21 lakh. Varun Arjun Medical College, Shahjahanpur, 4,38,765. Sri Ramachandra Institute of Medical Sciences, Aurangabad, 441,529. Netaji Subhash Medical College and Hospital, Patna, 4,48,421. Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Chikballapur, 4,50,415. Icare Institute of Medical Science and Research and Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy Hospital, Haldia, 4,57,844. Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Bangalore, 4,61,150. KMC Medical College and Hospital, Maharajganj, 4,65,840. Sri Siddhivinayak Medical College and Hospital, Sambhal, 4,16,682. Maharshi Markandeshwar College of Medical Science and Research Center, 4,86,304. Sri Ullas Patil Medical College and General Hospital, Jalgaon, 4,88,804. And Radhikand Medical College and Hospital, Bareilly, 5,04,755. So what we have up to 5 lakh is what we discussed at this point in time. See, what I'm trying to tell you is this. What are your options of getting into a medical college? One is the government medical college, for which your rank has to be, if you're in the open category, 30,000 and below. Then you have deemed universities where the fee is very, very high. But this is a very good route, because here, for quite a few of the states, in the state private medical colleges also, the fee is regulated by the state government. So that is where you see actually the 12 lakh, 8 lakh, 11 lakh, 13.2 lakh and those kind of fee structures. Now, when you go to deemed, it's 25 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh. When you go to management quota, it's 30 lakh, 40 lakh per annum. We're talking of per annum, which means the cost of education will be about 1.25 to 2 crores, right? But in these state private medical colleges, if you get into this quota, which is 15% quota to the 50% quota, which you can actually apply and go through the counseling and get on with that whole thing, then you actually have a good chance. If you have a rank of 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh rank, this is a good option for you to deal with, in the sense that you start getting into looking at each of the states and identifying the good medical colleges in those states and applying for that, where the fee is also very moderated. It's almost 40% of what you would pay in a deemed university. So that is the reason why we're showing this data for you. If you want me to, if you need any clarifications, I gave you a phone number. Write neat on that and message us, and we'll be happy to have a counselor call you up and explain everything for you. If you want me to cover anything here, please write to me in the message box here, and I'll cover that for you. And I must thank our university partner, SRMIST, for enabling this entire thing by partnering with us, so that we can actually do the work of informing students to take the best informed decision. Thank you so much. Namaste.